Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch and I'm going to show you a couple of our 2 kilo fixing hammers. They are the GBH2-24D and the DF version of the same machine. Only difference between these machines is the front end, where we have a quick change chuck system on the DF version. So this is a 3-mode hammer. All the current corded Bosch SDS Plus hammers now are a 3-mode hammer. Of course, the third mode there allows you to use the machine as a little chipping hammer, so you can remove tiles, you can do a bit of wall chasing, channeling, and sort of light demolition work if you like. Bearing in mind it is just a 1.7 joule machine, it's a light duty fixing hammer really, so you're not going to knock down any buildings with this machine. Okay, so just on that subject, while we're looking at the mode switch, you may not be aware that there's actually a 4th mode on here. This has been present on our products for decades now. It's called Vario Lock, some of you might know that, and the idea of that, when you're fitting a chisel, like this tile chisel, it's quite important to have that chisel in the correct position in relation to the rest of the machine, particularly if you're working along a wall. This one obviously is at a weird angle now, so if you tried to work this against the wall, both handles would actually collide with the wall, so not a comfortable way to work. So what we have here, if you switch this over to Vario Lock, it gives you then a kind of neutral gear for the gearbox, so you can easily turn the chisel, and every 10 degrees you have a lockable position. So there's 36 different positions for this chisel, so you can really tune that so that the machine's comfortable to use. Drop it back into chisel only mode and off you go, you're ready to rock and roll. The chuck we mentioned earlier is a quick change chuck. That means that if you're switching from one mode to another, you want to work in wood for example, there's no need to keep messing around with different power tools. This one, be quite happy using a hole saw or an auger bit, flat wood bit, whatever you choose. Clearly that's not compatible with SDS Plus. SDS Plus is a spline system and the tool holder is accepting only SDS Plus bits. So what we do for other drilling modes is to simply take off this tool holder, hence quick change. This is supplied as standard with the tool. It's a lovely metal 1/2-inch keyless chuck. So you just drop that onto the drive mechanism, give it a smack, and you're ready to fit conventional drill bits. So this is really useful for people that multitask and have to do lots of different drilling operations just with one tool. So we're now ready to drill wood. Sorry. If you happen to leave the hammer on, which would be a silly thing to do if you're drilling wood, don't worry, because this adapter here actually disables the hammer mechanism automatically, so you don't have to be too careful there. But obviously it makes sense to put it into rotary drilling mode if you're working with wood, for example. So generally a versatile machine. Change the front ends just in seconds. You can even leave the tool holder with the chisel in place, no reason, so you can change the whole shooting match with the quick change chuck. So that's the GBH2-24DF. Should we drill a hole? Let's try it.